Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would adjust your mirrors, your driver's side mirror and your passenger side mirror. So the way you adjust it is you have a control panel here. You're going to hit the mirror that you want to adjust, and then you've got your left, right, up and down. The same thing on the other side, left, right, up and down. Move it to your desired location for your driving the way you like to drive, and then you just tap the button and that'll stop it. As long as that light's not lit up, it won't move if you hit the buttons. And then if you hit the button and then it's not working, we may have to start taking apart the door panel to find what maybe has gone bad. A lot of times this can go bad, or just the motor in the mirror itself, and that we'll discuss. And that's how you adjust your mirrors on your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.